Hi, this video is to show the mechanism for the acid catalyzed hydrolysis of esters. The first step in this reaction is protonation. We protonate at the carbonyl oxygen, giving us an intermediate that has a positive charge that makes it more susceptible to attack by the nucleophile. In this case, our nucleophile is water, and so the water attacks the positively charged carbon that used to be the carbonyl carbon. That gives us a positively charged intermediate that's got 3 oxygens on it. You might recognize this intermediate because it was one of the intermediates in the esterification reaction. You might notice this mechanism is exactly the opposite of the esterification reaction. Same steps, opposite order. Okay, so the next step is going to be protonation. One of the OHs could be protonated, and that would basically lead us back to where we came from. So the other possibility is to protonate on this alcohol oxygen, and that turns the alcohol oxygen, turns that group into a better leaving group, because then it can leave as a neutral alcohol. So the next step is the alcohol leaving to give us this cation intermediate plus a molecule of alcohol. The cation intermediate basically needs to lose a proton, and that will give us the carboxylic acid product, and we already saw the alcohol product in the previous step.